I'm at Gossler Nursery with Roger Gossler, and we're right outside of Springfield, aren't we?
Right, just east of Springfield.
Wonderful. And you know, you have many collections of plants on your property and for sale. So what are these right here?
These are Stewartias, the false camellias. They're all either Japanese, Chinese, or southeastern United States natives.
And this one is so beautiful. It's just starting to bloom.
That's Stewartia rostrata, which is a very endangered or extinct plant in China, in the wild. And it's a beautiful flowers this time of the year, and then great fall color.
And I really love that it has all of these flowers. It also has pretty kind of after flowers there, and then a nice seed pod, which is really a lot of nice interest.
Right, there's lots going on through the whole year, and then they're very, very good plants of no diseases or bugs or anything like that.
That is nice. And then how about how big is it going to get?
Probably in the 30-foot range eventually, in 25 to 30-year range.
That is good. And then what is this one over at to our left
This
here?
is Stewartia Monadelpha. This is the tall Stewartia. And this tree is probably 40 years old,
wow.
And it's a much smaller flower, but it's thousands and thousands of flowers. And then it has great fall color, and each plant is a different fall color. They're all seedlings, so they're all varying from dark purple to sort of oranges, reds, smoky yellows, that kind of thing.
And I noticed that the bark is really interesting too, so really some winter interest there.
Mm-hmm. It's year-round interest. In the winter, the bark really comes to the fore of it. It really shows up sort of a coppery orangey through the fall and winter, and pretty spectacular all winter long.
And there's another one in the garden that has even nicer bark on it.
Right, it's Stewartia Pseudocamellia Ballet. It's from Korea, and it's more of a patching bark rather than a flaking bark like the Stewartia Monadelpha.
Does it take a long time for that to happen on the trees?
When they get about maybe 2-inch caliper trunk, they will start to do the flaking, and then they'll do it from then on. And they grow fairly fast to begin with, and then as they get more mature, 10 to 15 feet, then they slow down and really do a lot of flowering.
Oh, that is nice. And you really have a wonderful collection that you sell here, don't you?
Mm-hmm. We have, I think, 8 or 9 different species and about 5 or 6 different hybrids or selections.
Well, you know, you can go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to their website, and they have the catalog there. You can also come down and see them. And when are you open?
9 to 5, Wednesday through Saturday.
It's wonderful. And make sure that you make time to go through the display gardens. They're just fantastic. Thanks so much, Roger.
Thank you.